Introducing the 2021 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a Hyundai Elantra, the tech-savvy compact that infuses every drive with a fresh feeling of innovation and modern style. From its suite of confidence-inspiring safety features to its svelte and sculpted looks, this driver-focused sedan is an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, wheel locks, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Be inspired to drive your best life in this smart and stylish Elantra. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.